Good morning, students. I am going to solve question number 5, exercise 6.1. Question is, in the given figure, POQ is a line, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Means this is perpendicular. OS is another line between OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Then first you observe the figure. In the given figure, OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, angle POR is equal to angle QOR. Both are 90 degree because OR is perpendicular to POQ. First of all, you write angle POR is equal to angle QOR in the bracket OR perpendicular PQ. Therefore, these two angles are equal to each other. Then you write angle POR in the terms of POS and ROS. Angle POS plus angle ROS. Angle POS plus angle ROS makes angle POR is equal to angle QOR. You also write angle QOR as angle QOS minus angle ROS. Angle QOS minus angle ROS means this angle QOR. You write angle QOS minus angle ROS. Then you transpose angle ROS in left, you get angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle ROS. Angle POS means ROS is here and this ROS is transposed in left side, therefore minus sign will change into plus sign. Therefore ROS plus ROS is equal to angle QOS is carrying here and angle POS is transposed here. You get in this left side here is plus sign, therefore in right side that sign will be changed negative sign. Then two angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Then angle ROS is equal to dividing equation by 2, you get angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Hence proved. This is your Solution of question number 6, exercise 6.1. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. First of all, you draw 64 degree angle XYZ. Angle X, Y, Z. This is 64 degree. XY is produced to point P. This is produced to point P. From the given information, we are able to draw a figure. This is your figure from the given information. Angle XYZ 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Then, if 3YQ bisect angle ZYP, angle ZYP is bisected by ray YQ. This is bisector of angle ZYP. Find angle XYQ. Find angle XYQ means this angle. You find this measurement of this angle. And also you find reflex angle QYP means first of all you find QYP, then you find reflex of QYP means this angle. Okay, then first of all you write here angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. It is given. XY is produced to point P, then XYP is a straight line. Therefore, angle XYP is a what types of angle? Linear pair angle. Angle XYZ and angle ZYP both make a linear pair angle. That's value is 180 degree. Okay, please. That is also known as straight angle. XYP is a straight angle. Then you find out. You write here angle XYP is equal to 180 degree by straight line property. Straight line property. Then angle ZYP, angle ZYP is equal to angle XYP minus angle XYZ. ZYP means this angle is equal to angle x by p minus angle XYZ, then you get this angle. 180 degree minus 64 degree, that is equal to 10 minus 4 6, 7 minus 6 1, and 116 degree. Angle ZYP. Y2 YZ angle ZYP means this ray YZ angle ZYP means angle ZY2 angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP angle QYT is equal to 1/2 angle ZYP because Y2 is a bisector of angle ZYP, therefore this angle is equal to this angle and both are equal to each other of 1/2 ZYP, that is equal to 1/2 into angle ZYP 116 degree, that is equal to 2 5 are 10 and 2 8 are 16, 58 degree. Angle ZYP is equal to angle ZYQ is equal to angle XYP is equal to 1/2 angle ZYP is equal to 1/2 into ZYP value is 116, therefore 1/2 into 116 is equal to 58 degree. Angle XYQ is equal to angle XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. XYZ is 64 degree plus ZYQ is 58 degree. Then 4 8 12 2 1 carries 1 5 6 6 12 122 degree. Angle SYQ is equal to 122 degree. First answer is this. Second answer, reflex angle. You find out the reflex angle QYP. Then first of all you write angle QYP. Angle QYP is equal to 58 degree. This is solved. QYP is equal to 58 degree. Then reflex angle QYP is equal to 360 degree minus 58 degree is equal to 302 degree. Okay.